Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. How to use the smart maintenance feature of SelectorsHub Pro to verify multiple XPath or like you can say the complete script in single shot. So let me show you how you can do that, and this is really good feature and very much huge time saver feature. So it's very simple. Just go to that page on which you want to verify. So suppose generally like what is the use of this feature and how where it will be very useful for you. Let me just tell you. So whenever there is a UI change happen, so generally whenever any new release and UI change happen, what happens for us as in like automation developers, our script start breaking because of locators change. Then what we have to do, what we do, we start copying XPath one by one and go back to dev tools, open go back to that page, open SelectorsHub, and then we verify that one by one. Like you paste this XPath, you see that okay, this is working fine, then it is okay. Then you copy, let's say copy this XPath, and then you paste it here. You found zero matching node, this got changed, so you will fix that and you replace it in your script. But this way, like suppose there are hundreds of XPath, then it becomes very tedious task, and that's where like most of our automation script in today's world gone in like vain, and they like nobody ever dare to maintain them whenever there is a UI change happen, because like everybody think like okay, who will verify all these XPath and selectors. So don't worry, now you can verify all of them in single shot. You will not have to copy paste one by one. What you need to do, come back to SelectorsHub. Let me remove from this. There is a smart maintenance button here, click on this. There's an edit icon, click on this, and here you see that box here. Now you copy this complete script. You need not to segregate. If you have locator page, that is also fine. So you copy this complete script. You need not to remove this import statement and all. You just complete everything, paste it here. And here by default you might get this field as a blank or driver.find element. So here you need to pass that command which I just told you guys, like this much you can copy wherever you have written XPath. So just copy this and paste it here. Replace the XPath with XPath value keyword and submit. Boom, it has verified all your XPath and it is showing the result. If it is more than one matching node, if it is zero, if it one, so this is showing here all of them. Now you can just simply whichever got changed, you can edit that, copy that, fix that, and verify that like this got changed. So you click on copy icon, paste it here, or you just click on edit icon here and it will paste the value here. You can fix this, that what is changed here. So it got changed like this, so you can fix this and go back and replace in your script. So this is how you can fix these this is how you can like quickly verify all the XPath and verify all of them the complete script and maintain your automation script. So it is very helpful feature whenever you have to verify all of your XPath in one go. And suppose your command is like this, driver.find element. So let me take this one, come back here, copy this complete script, paste it here. And suppose your command is this one, so replace that, replace this XPath with XPath value keyword and submit. Boom, it is showing all of them. So whichever will be zero, it will show zero, so that you can fix it. Suppose your command is this like cy.xpath. So copy this complete script, come back here, edit, paste, and you can replace this. Suppose your command is this cy.xpath. So what you do, paste it here wherever is XPath, replace that with XPath value keyword. Boom, and there you go. So this is how you can verify all of your XPath in one go. Then again you want back them along with the command. Yes, you can turn on this and you will get them with the command. So this is how very quickly you can generate means you can verify all of your XPath and everything in one go, and very easy So this will really help you guys a lot. Try this feature. This is really incredible innovation, smart maintenance feature of SelectorsHub Pro to verify all of your XPath in one go and to maintain your automation script. Very useful feature. If you want to go back to the home page of SelectorsHub Pro, just click back on maintenance button and there you go. And you can just start using SelectorsHub Pro as usual as you want. So this will really help you guys a lot. Let me know your thought about this feature, how much time you save, how useful this is for you, and if any improvement, anything is required, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will add those features, I will improve those things. With that, thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming innovation, upcoming updates. And also one more thing, like if there will be any feature update, anything will be new, we will be adding on this. You will always find the tutorial here, right there in Selectors Pro window inside that feature. So please always check out this tutorial. If you ever got doubt how to use this feature and what all things are there, you can download this, delete all, copy all, and everything. All those features are here. So very quickly you can do them. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.